Hey, welcome back to another exciting episode of Growth on Purpose with me, Claire Chandler. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Talent Boost. I help executives and business owners get their teams working together more effectively in less time with less cultural resistance so they can accelerate their business growth on purpose. Today, I want to talk to you about fixing your bottom. It's an awkward topic. We don't all want to discuss it. But when I talk about your bottom, I'm talking about your bottom line. Leaders, please don't make the same mistake that those who have come before you make, which is focusing too much on your bottom line when you're looking at your underperformance or your lack of growth. Your bottom line is what I would call a lagging indicator. It is a measure in hindsight, in retrospect, of your overall performance. But if you really want to fix your bottom line, you have to start at the top. Here's what I mean by that. Decades ago, the overwhelming majority of the value of your business would have been driven by tangible assets, the literal or figurative pipes in the ground, your product, your financial metrics. Fast forward to today, well over 72% of the value of your business, I don't care what industry you are in, this is consistently true. Over 72% of the value of your business is driven by your intangible assets. Those are defined as your people, your institutional knowledge, your brand, your reputation in the market, your intellectual property. Looking at your bottom line and over-indexing on your tangible assets is not going to grow your company to the level that you want it to. But focusing on the 3 Ps will. And the 3 Ps are people, process, and performance in that order. And it's really important that you get the order right. You have to start with people first. It is essential that you have the right people in the right roles with the right skills to execute your strategy and the buy-in to want to help you achieve it. And that includes and must start with the leadership at the very top. The biggest impact on your company's culture is the behavior of your leaders. They set the tone. So get the people first right. Second, you want to focus on process. You need to create consistent pathways for getting work done and client needs met that replicate best practices. That is the absolute key for scaling your business, by the way. How often are you reinventing the wheel every time you take on a new client or every time you hire a new employee? The more you create consistent processes that replicate best practices and engineer out the inefficiencies that don't serve you, the faster you can grow and scale. And that brings us to the 3rd P, which is performance. You want to link individual roles and objectives to the shared outcomes that will actually move the needle closer toward your ultimate purpose and your eventual growth strategy. If you focus on the 3 Ps in that order, your bottom line performance will take care of itself. So if you truly and once and for all want to fix your bottom, you got to start at the top. So thank you for taking a couple of minutes out of your busy day to watch this episode. I hope you gained at least one valuable tip you can apply to your business. This is one small part of my proven 9-step framework that I use with my clients to build commitment, to align leaders, and to accelerate their growth. If you'd like access to my full 1-page Growth on Purpose roadmap, just click the link in the description below. Oh, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get daily updates.